got scammed by a group of people here. That is, we were going and one guy came by his bike. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is our day 3 in Goa. So today we are going to Anjuna Beach, Vagator Beach. Let's get going. Started from our room around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it is 5:30. So what did we do for our 1.5 hour? We got scammed by a group of people here. That is, we were going and one guy came by his bike and he said he gave us a ticket or whatever, a gift voucher kind of a thing, and he said that you can take this. So he gave it to Guruji first and he was like, just scratch the card, let us see if you win something. He said his hotel's promotion is happening and they are giving out this kind of vouchers to people they meet on the road. 10 साल बहुत बड़ी टाइम होती है, तुम लटक भी सकते हो उस टाइम में, कुछ भी हो सकता है यार. I want to highlight this point that not any other YouTuber might have told in Goa videos. This is one kind of a scam that happens here. Waste your 2 hours, okay? So we had plans to go to Anjuna Beach and Vagator Beach and all that. दिमाग खराब हो चुका है अभी. Hi guys, this is the present day me sitting back in Bangalore and making this video. I want to sit you guys all down and talk about what actually happened with a calm head. So first of all, Happy New Year to all of you. I hope this year brings a lot of joy for everybody. So coming back to the story, so it was a afternoon. So around 2 o'clock or so, we left our room to have lunch. The plan for that day was to go to Aguada Fort, Chapora Fort. So we went, we had our lunch in a nearby Udupi hotel. After having lunch, we came out. It was around 3 o'clock or so, I guess. We came out. We were seeing for bikes, rental bikes around. So we just crossed, this is right in Kalangut main road. We just crossed the road and then we were searching for bikes around. And then one guy comes in scooty. He stops and says, sir, ma'am, I am coming from this particular hotel and we are running our promotional offer. Our hotel is a new one. It's more like a resort. So we are doing this promotional offer. So first he asks Guruji if he's 30 years or not, and he says yes. And then he gives a scratch card to him and says, okay, you are eligible for our program. So now you can just scratch it. So he takes a 1 rupee coin, scratches it and finds better luck next time. So then he gives the scratch card to me, another scratch card, and he says that scratch it. So I said, no, I'm not 30. So I'm not eligible for your program. He says, no, if the husband is 30 and above, you are eligible. Then I said, okay, fine, he's with the same coin, I scratch. And then it's like, oh, you're the lucky winner. And it says that there are 5 options. One is a smartwatch, one is a TV, one is a fridge, resort stay, and another one is something else. 5 options were there in that. Then he's like, ma'am, are you lucky always? You have won. Hey, wow. I didn't know what to do. I was like, fine, okay. Okay. Then he says that, why don't you come along with me? You have to come to new resort reception, and in front of the receptionist, you have to show this. Again, there is one part to be scratched in this, A, B, C, D, E. 5 options are there in that. Smartwatch, TV, fridge, resort stay, something else. So you have to scratch again in front of the receptionist, and then out of whichever A, B, C, D, E, you will get, you will be given that. And then after that, they will take you around showing the resort. And then what he wants you to do is you have to go home and tell your friends that, blah 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 is the resort. Please come and stay here. This is what he told us. Till here clear. Guruji said, okay, fine, we'll come in the evening. He was like, no, sir, you have to come now only. Or you have to claim the gift. You have to come right now. Come along with me. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We were like, no, we don't want to come now. We have other plans. We have to go to Anjuna side and all that. We are not going to come. Then he is like, where are you guys from? Then we said, we are from Bangalore. He's like, oh, I am from Maharashtra. He said, okay, fine. And he was very polite, very sweet. So Guruji was like, okay, fine, it's just showing us resorts, right? So that's okay, we'll go with him. And from that point, the real trouble began. We went there, he sat us down. So it was a hotel near Kalangut only. It was a resort. And then he said that come in, and he sat us and he talked about the resort and blah blah blah. He was like asking us where are you from, are you, how long have you been married, blah blah blah, all nonsense personal questions. Then he asked, do you have a credit card? Guruji didn't have a credit card. I said I have a credit card. Then what happened was, after that he took us inside, and he took us inside the resort. It was the resort entrance is here. Where he took us was to the basement of the resort. Like, that was kind of shady place. I didn't like it that much. And there's a banquet hall kind of a thing. And then some lady comes and she's like, it's more like decorated. It's a hall filled with so many people sitting there and all that. And then the lady comes and starts taking our details. She asks, how much is your salary? Are you employed? Which company? Where in Bangalore? Your address, your phone number, everything you're asked to jot down. And then she's like, okay, sit, ma'am. This is like a promotional tour. You'll be shown the resort, blah, 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 and all that. Then she said 1 hour session will be there where they'll talk you about the resort and all that. And we went. Then another lady comes, and she comes and walks us outside, and she's just taking us around. She's like, how do you like the resort? How is it? Do you want to stay here? How much is the cost of the resort, do you think? So what kind of a holiday do you prefer? Blah 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 blah. She's very sweet. She's talking all nicely. The time now, she has already found some personal connection with us. She's saying she's also from Bangalore, settled in Goa, blah blah blah. She knows Shivaji Nagar and all that. That's all. This is the resort we get to see. From outside, she has shown this is the swimming pool. These are the rooms. From outside, she takes us back to the same banquet hall, and then begins saying about holiday ownership. कसं म्हणून start केलेलं आहे त्या भीतर वरनं.
How much you pay for resort? If you get like swimming pool like this and all, how much you can pay? How we are paying? How much paying current stay?
So I'll quote you on the other side, okay? So that was Guruji adding some points. So yeah, she asked us how much are we currently paying for the stay where we are in, how is the resort, how do you like it. She says that if I sell you something like that, but it's not a hotel, it's a resort, how will you like it? Then slowly she says that today we are on a sale where you are going to get a holiday ownership. So this is a company, I'm not going to say the name of the company. It is synonymous with 8 across. Now I leave it to you guys to figure out what is the name of that holiday package company, holiday club company. So it was them who were running, and they are saying that they are Marriott, Lemon Tree and other sorts of big hotels, big companies with them who are going to sponsor where you can go and stay. See, I am not against these people with selling a holiday package. Definitely they have their own agenda. They can definitely sell as long as they are legal. We have no issues. So this went on for 1 hour. At the end of the 1 hour, she went on explaining about the package, how it works, how many trips you can take in a year, blah blah blah. At the end, she says that they are selling us 25-year plan where you have to pay how much?
10 lakhs.
So a 25-year plan costs 10 lakhs. Then we were like, no, she asks us, there is a 25-year plan, there is a 10-year plan. Which one do you want to choose? Of course, we can't know what's happening after 25 years. We chose a 10-year plan. We said 10-year plan. Then she said 10-year plan costs, a 10-year plan costs 5 lakh and 25-year plan costs 10 lakh. So then she asked, do you think this is in a budget? We were like, okay, fine. And by the time it was 1 hour, our day was totally screwed up by now. It was already 4:30. We were like, we want to go. We wanted to leave from there. They are not ready to leave us. She's like, how do you like the plan? Do you think it's in your budget? Blah, blah, blah and all that. And I said, fine, yeah, it's in our budget. So are you going to commit? Are you going to buy this? And in the same time, somebody else is announced as, they have bought this package for a 10-year program. Congrats to them, and they are clapping around for those people. So that just to leave an impression on you. And then we said 10-year plan is also too much for us. Then she said, we'll sell you a 5-year, we can give you a 5-year trial package that is for 1 lakh. We were like, no, we don't want to commit to anybody for 5 lakh 10 year, whatever it is. Then Guruji said, I need some time to think. So her manager comes and says, no, what you want time to think? Like everybody else is given the same time to decide. We are not, giving you time and all that. Everything is good. What is your problem? It's in your budget. Blah blah blah. At that point, we just got pissed and we came out. And then there was no point of this scratch card thing. Okay, nowhere we were about to scratch. After
Now tell about that manager guy. He was smelling cigarettes. He was little rude. That helped us to
yeah.
reject. And he was like asking, it's like 1 year holiday, and like he was saying that we'll give you everything in EMIs. You just pack. This is really good. If we said no, then saying what is your problem? There's something else. You're not doing. You're not committing it because the plan is so good.
Yeah, so that's what he said. He was like, everything is good. What's stopping you from buying? I mean, budget is not your problem. We were like, we need time to think, dude. See, if you plan anything, if you're committing for 10 years or 1 lakh or whatever, will you invest? Like to buy a stock, I do so much research. To buy any item, you do so much research that for spending 100 rupees, you think twice, do I really need it? Now, this is for 10 years, you're committing for 5 lakhs. Are you mad? Like, who will do that? Right on the spot. And we don't even know those guys. So that senior manager, whatever of hers, was very rude. That was like the turning point. We just got up from there. Guruji, I scolded Guruji like crazy when both of them left. They said, we'll give you time to discuss. You can think now and tell us. They both of them left, and I just started shouting at Guruji like, what on earth is this nonsense? Why are you wasting our time? We are on a holiday. Why did you have to come here? I told you not to go with that fellow, that scooter guy who came and gave you scratch card. I told you not to go now. Why did you come? I started scolding him. And Guruji was like, okay, let's leave from here. We got up and then they were like, no, we'll sell you lesser package, 3-year plan also we have, 1-year plan also we have and all that. We said no. When till now, no point of scratching the card, nothing. Then she said, okay, then Guruji asked, what about this card? Where are you going to scratch it? Then finally she comes out and then she scratches. Answer is C. C was that same company's 3 night 4 days package of costing 4,000 rupees. Now this is not free, okay? You have to pay 4,000 rupees for that package, and it has only like 3-4 selected places. That's all. Nowhere else. We came out after analyzing. We found that this was a plan they were selling to people above 30 years of old, only to couples. You should be married, otherwise they won't sell you this. So they are randomly going and finding out people on the streets who are married, who are 30 plus. Why married? Because you are a family and you will plan more vacations together, and 30 plus because you are economically stable by then, so you can afford it. And then you are not in Goa. They are asking you if you are from Goa. So you are not in Goa. So if at all you want to, feel later on at some point that, they cheated you, you felt cheated in any point, you cannot complain against them. You cannot register an FIR because you would have left the place. Again, you have to go to Goa to file an FIR and all these things. So I am not against that holiday company. Let them do their job, no issues. But the way that guy tricked us in going to that resort was the biggest no for me. It was like a scam. That's why I put the title of the video that we got scammed. He scammed us in getting the scratch card and taking us to the resort, saying that it's a new resort. No, it's not a new resort. And he said that he's going to show us around the resort. Nobody showed us any single room in that resort. They were keen on selling a holiday package. Like people on the street saying, we want to sell you a holiday package. No issues. But why are you saying that you are going to show me a new resort and take me around? That's a no. So I want to highlight at this point that if you are couples and roaming around on the streets of Goa, be careful about this. We met these kind of people in Chapora Fort too. One guy was standing there and asking people to scratch the card. So we have told so many people who were about to scratch the card. Me and Guruji went personally and told them that this is a fraud. And the other guy was like, what fraud, ma'am? How do you know? We found some people near Kolva beach. We found some people near Kalangut beach, in Candolim area also, and also near Chapora Fort. So be careful on this issue. Do not talk to strangers if you don't know them. If you find something suspecting, some things are too good to be true, do not talk to them. Also, other scams are like, people will try to sell you drugs and all that, try to sell you weed, and now you don't even know what kind of weed is that. They may sell you some fake thing also. Now you cannot go and complain to anybody. While I was reading upon these kind of scams, I found out that another type of a scam is where they tell you, you want to make new friends, do you want to meet foreign girls, do you want to meet Russian girls, and they take you to some resort. Of course, like, this is targeted to a bunch of guys going around. So they'll target and ask, do you want to meet foreigner girls? And then they'll, after that, what happens to you? They may rob you. Anything can happen. So that is one kind of a scam. Now the second one is the drugs kind of a scam. Then this is a scratch card scam. So if you don't know people, please do not talk to them on the streets of Goa. Also, yeah, I take it on us. We shouldn't have gone with that scratch card guy. So these kind of scams happen in Gopalan Mall here also in Bangalore, where they ask you to fill in your details, and then they'll call up you one fine day, and then you'll be like, what happened? And then they're like, you wrote your name in Gopalan Mall, now you're a lucky winner, you are going to get a gift. Come to Gopalan Mall at this time. No, come to some resort at this time. And basically that's the same story. They are trying to sell some package or something. So yeah, we shouldn't have gone, because I knew this Gopalan Mall story. I should have stopped Guruji and be like, no, we are not going with this guy. So yeah, do not go with any person, and before spending any amount, before swiping your card, just like think twice. Ask time from those people. Say, I need to think. Give me 1 day, 2 day. If they are not ready to give you 1 day, 2 day, if they are hurrying you, then something is definitely fishy there. So with that, I would like to rest my case here. So up to you. Enjoy your holidays, enjoy your vacation. Make sure nobody screws it up for you. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my rant. So I really hope it helps someone. So share it with your friends if they are traveling to Goa or like anywhere. This can happen at any point. So just be careful and enjoy your vacation. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.